How to change the audio on Instagram Reels after posting it. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Simply go to Reels and you won't find any option to change the audio on Instagram Reels after it's posted. As you can see, if you click on three dots and click on edit, you will not find any option to change the audio. So you cannot simply change the audio on Instagram Reels after posting it. If you really want to change the audio, you can delete it or archive this post and simply post another with another audio you want to use. And the answer to can you change the audio on Instagram Reels after posting it is no. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.